Welcome to visit our Topfeel Beauty factory. Topfeel Beauty, a leading private label cosmetics manufacturer who provides stock formula and OEM service. We specialize in producing new and fashion products, including customized lips, face makeup products, makeup tools, and skincare products. Topfeel Beauty has a large production base and advanced production equipment. Here, we strictly control every link, from raw material procurement to finished product delivery. Every process is carefully designed and rigorously inspected to ensure excellent and stable product quality. Multiple industrial awards. Topfeel Beauty was highly trusted and praised by the customers. We are committed to providing customers with high-quality products and excellent services.